Here in Bарловорlд Mongolia machine shop, we continuously investing into advanced technology to improve our capability in engine rebuilds, turnaround time, and overall service for our customers. Today, we are proud to introduce our second machine, Rottler EM105H. It's a major step forward in expanding our capacity in salvaging, in machining, and engine block repair capacity. Rottler EM105H is one of the industry-leading machining solutions for heavy-duty engine block restoration and precision machining. This machine allows us to achieve high machining accuracy, repeatability, and consistent quality standards required for a modern engine rebuilding. Currently, we process around 70 engine rebuilds annually, and our existing machining capacity has become one of the key bottlenecks affecting turnaround time. With this investment, we expect to increase our engine rebuild capacity up to 100 engines per year. This also helps us reduce engine rebuild turnaround time from over 45 days now to less than 40 days. In addition, the new machine opens opportunity to expand external machining services and engine block salvage work for customers outside of our internal rebuild operations. We are proud to continue investing into world-class equipment and technology to support our customers and overall mining industry in Mongolia. That step helps us strengthen our position as a trusted rebuild and machining partner in Mongolia.